Good afternoon, Internet. This is Grace on the go, and today is Friday, the 12th of January 2024. It's roughly 3 in the afternoon, and I am now leaving Cagayan de Oro City and heading to the municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon, where Central Mindanao University is located. I'm going to have myself enrolled to the short course in dairy production and management. Hopefully I'll be accepted and start my journey with dairy farming. So stay tuned guys and enjoy. Welcome to Balay City. By the way guys, I'm taking the Philippine Pansari Highway, also known as Maharlika Highway, measuring 3,379.73 kilometers long, making it the longest road in the country that forms the National Route 1 or N1 of the Philippine Highway Network. The entire highway is actually designated as Asian Highway 26, also known as AH26, that you can see on the road. This is designated by the Asian Highway Network. And you know what guys, driving along Pansari Highway is quite challenging actually because of the road or the pavement. Some roads are a little bouncy, so it's really kind of difficult for me. And good thing if you're driving along asphalt because you can really drive smoothly. So yeah, you really have to be very careful in driving this type of road. By the way guys, I'm now here in Balay City, and I just want to give you some little facts about this city. This is a first-class component city and the capital of the province of Bukidnon. So, known for its breathtaking landscapes and cool climate, this city is situated in the heart of the province, surrounded by stunning mountains and picturesque valleys. What makes Bukidnon unique is its terrain is characterized by deep ravines and dense forest mountains, which protects the province from storm. So in short, Bukidnon is typhoon free. Isn't it cool? I mean, who wouldn't love to stay in a typhoon free environment? I mean, I've been staying in the city and there's so many floods, so staying in Balay is actually a good idea, right? Alright, I'm now trying to exit Balay City and heading to Valencia City, which is the second class component city in Bukidnon. Valencia City is actually warm, lovely, and always welcoming city. And this landlocked city has several tourist destinations like the Lake Apo in Barangay Kinuyuran and Kasanayan Cave in Barangay Tungan. Valencia City. I already arrived Valencia. I don't know where to stay, so let's find a place to stay overnight, and by tomorrow I'll be going to Central Mindanao University in Maramag. So here in Valencia they have Robinson's Place. It's a park. Where should I stay here? It's my first time riding around Bukidnon, so I'm not really sure. I might just ask somebody here. I also need to eat because I think it's already 7. I left Cagayan de Oro 4 p.m. Southland in linya ani or Picas? Ah, Picas.
Kining crossing.
Crossing. Pasulod pa? Ay, wira. Thank you. Ma'am, pwede pangutan na ma'am? Asa lapit ang Southland Inn? Pasulod na na. Thank you. Pwede bang utana?
Tama.
Asa dapit ang Southland Inn? Ang katulganan ba? Southland.
Lawa arang ko kay kuan kay ana.
Ay. Asa?
Ana ron ta kuan.
Ay murag na ko ano? Anang kanana. Thank you ya.
Sige.
Alright, it looks like I'm trying to go round in circle and I'm not sure where Southland Inn is located. But I'm pretty sure it's just somewhere here. So let's just give it a few minutes to find. I don't know if I'm kind of lost or what, but yeah, let's just ask somebody here and hopefully I can find Southland Inn and then have some rest. So after a few minutes of trying to find the inn, I'm finally here. I finally found Southland Inn and this is where I'm staying. And I'll be leaving tomorrow early in the morning and yeah, do my job. So I'm now in Southland Inn here in Valencia City, and this is my room. I'll be staying here overnight. And plan for tomorrow is to leave 5 a.m. and I'll go to Central Mindanao University to enroll in a short course dairy farm. Hopefully I'll be accepted. This is just an attempt for me to enroll to this short course. And yeah, I think that's all about it. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And also, see you in the next video. Bye.